Dave called. Let's take the boat out. It hasn't been out since the winter time. Buddy says, okay. I'll drive. So we took it out to Lake Conroe. Buddy says, I'll be the supervisor. Designated driver. He added some new controls, cleaned it up, reupholstered the seat. Those are the controls. Low on beer. Ejection seat. There's some fish. Little speed. We ordered. Boat couldn't go under that one. So we had to go to the high one. Right there. Yep, there we went. So we're cruising along. Lake Conroe, Texas. It's fixing to rain. Oh, it is raining. There it is. Where? Look at all this. Hey, I'm getting wet. Face starts to rain that's coming this way.
Yeah, good idea. It quit.
Quit?
I don't know. I realized if I cuss, because like I don't cuss around women. So like my family, they don't know I cuss.
They don't know you cuss.
No. And then I post stuff on Facebook that you record and I forget you recorded. I just say El Sol reappears.
I don't know.
You know how I say reappears? El Sol Ultra Bay.
Where?
I thought I saw some fish.
I farted. What do you
I'm
mean?
upwind, so it ain't gonna bother me. Hey, you know what we out there?
What do you mean you kicker motors? What do you got? You got a kicker box? Dave.
I still haven't broken in the
Oh, you haven't turned those damn things?
latest. I guess the Mercury Pro kicker.
Well, if one breaks, you got two reserves. Dave, does this horn work? What the hell is that? Hey, is that the Loch Ness Monster?
I got it for you here.
Oh, look at that shit. Is that the Loch Ness Monster?
No, what that is something that's under the boat. It makes a long line like that. That means they're hanging out right under the boat.
Well, we're not even moving either.
Are you steering?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should let that shit out.
School is now in session with the fish. Look, science class is still in session.
Oh, yeah?
Math.
Should go around about forward.
You don't even hear that one.
Same motor. I don't know why it's quieter.
Okay, so one breaks, we got the other one. We got a double horsepower.
Again, and
Huh? No, it's not.
all right, I'm getting ready to put them both in gear and see what we can do
Okay.
here.
Can you do both?
I'm just gonna do them both like forward. Hey, try to go straight, huh? Let's see how fast we can go.
rain. Oh, you're on camera.
Howdy.
How'd he done?
I'm user number one.
On camouflage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went out to the Golf when we first got it. We lost power steering. We had a kicker motor. Told Dave we better have one motor just in case we got problems. So he wanted to get another one, so we got both of them now. So when we go out to the Golf, we got several backups to get back. And we made a pit stop. One beer. Saw some nice, fancy, high-performance loud motors. Be nice if I can try one of those, or just to hear it. Cruising down the boulevard. Sunset, Lake Conroe. Me and Buddy making memories. Get me off this boat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Look at those airplanes up there taking people somewhere on a sunset flight tour. Thank you for watching.